Hello everyone, I'm Megaderf and welcome. Today I'm here to show you a script I wrote. It's a self-destruct script. It will cause damage to your ship and make it unrecoverable. It affects the ship in many different ways. Check the link to its workshop page for a list. It's almost impossible to recover your ship or its components after using this script, so use it only when your ship is about to be taken by your enemies. Or when you want to fight boredom, that works as well. The code itself doesn't look very good. That's because it's the first time I write a script, and I've decided to make many different small scripts in order to understand all the different mechanics. Then I put them together, and while the resultant code doesn't look amazing, it works as good as I wanted it to. Let's test it with that ship. The script uses a password system that I'll explain later. For now I'll just write the one I've chosen before. As you can see, after running the script, it's impossible to stay inside the ship. The effect on this ship is only average. If it used blocks like pistons or rotors, the result would have been much worse. Also, ships which don't have the same number of thrusters on opposite sides are much more affected by the script, since they are likely to fly away in outer space at almost max speed. Now let's take a look at the password system. I made it so you won't run the script by accident, and you can choose who is going to be able to use it by giving them the password. The password is hidden inside a named text panel. You can name it however you want. First of all, you need to change the name of the text panel. Then you open the script and you put the chosen name instead of input, which is the standard one. If you don't want to modify the code, you can name the panel input. Now you have to write your password. You need to put it in the private text section. Be careful not to add random spaces and don't start new lines. Remember to set these blocks as yours, so you can choose who is going to be able to read and modify the text panel, and the programmable block won't have problems reading the password. To be honest, all the blocks of the ship should be set to yours anyway. To run the script, you write the password in the argument box of the programmable block. If the password is wrong or if the script can't find the text panel, nothing will happen. You can find more explanations in the workshop page. The script works with small ships too, but it was made for large ones. You can also create interesting traps using this script. You can use a sensor to run the programmable block, or a timer if you want to delay the effect. You need to put the password in the box that appears when you set a sensor or a timer block to run the script. This is it for today. You can find the download link in the description. There you can find more information and further explanations. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more similar creations, and thanks for watching. I'll see you later.